Hi, this is Pramnaidu. So today we will see radio button functionality in Salesforce Lightning. Okay, so what we'll do is, we'll display the account records along with the radio button. Okay, whenever user clicks on a particular radio button, then we'll display the related contacts to it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm creating an Apex class. I'm just running this command in order to create an Apex class. So I'm creating an Apex class. So I'm just giving some name to it. Account demo 11. I'm choosing the default directory. Okay, so aura enabled catchable equal to true. Okay, so if you don't write this annotation, we will not able to access the data in Lightning application. Okay, so public static list of account. Okay, so display. So this is the name of the method. Display SEC records list of contact. List of account. List of account. ACC list. Select ID comma name from account. Okay, so return ACC list. Okay, so this is not a void method, so we should return something. So that's the reason I'm returning account list here. Okay, I'm creating one more method. So aura enable catchable equal to true. Public static contact display con records. So list of contact con list. Select last name comma. I'm querying account name as well, because based on the account name, I'll be displaying contacts from contact. Okay, so based on the account name, so we need to display the contact. So that's the reason I'm passing one parameter here, string search key from contact where account dot name equal to search key. Okay, so this is not a void method, so we should return something. So I'm just returning con list. Okay, so I'm saving it. So let me push the code to the source arc. I'm just deploying the code to the source arc. Yes, we are able to move this Apex class to source arc successfully. So we are not getting any errors. Okay, I'm just removing the console. Okay, so let me create Lightning component. I'm creating Lightning web component. Okay, so display con records. I'm choosing the default directory. So I'm importing two methods. First, let me import this method, display account records from Apex, name of the method, and the class name. Okay, so if you want to display the data from JavaScript, so then we need to import this statement. We need to import the method. So import. So what is the second method which we have written in the Apex class? Display count records. So display count records from apex, and the name of the method, and the class name. So what is the class name? Account demo 12. Sorry, 11. Okay. Account demo 11. So we're getting an error. We're getting errors since we have not used this method in the JavaScript. So that's the reason we're getting an error. Okay. So I'm using white property. If you want to display the data in component, then we need to make the use of white property, and then it should be followed by the method name. So display account records, and then some reference variable name to it, accounts. Okay. And then I'll be declaring. So I'm just importing track property as well. Track. Okay. So here I'm declaring three variables. Track. Okay. So records. The track error. And then at the rate track current ACC account name. Okay. So okay. So current. Okay. Current account. Okay. First, let me push this code to the source arc. So we're getting an error. So let me fix that error. So I'm pushing the code to the source arc. Okay. So before that, let me design the HTML file. Okay. So table tr th select th. Okay. So here account name. Okay. So template for each accounts dot data for item. So this is the reference variable name. So if you want to access the field value, then we have to make the use of this reference variable name. So ACC. Okay, so tr. Okay, so key is a mandatory thing. So key equal to ACC dot ID. Okay, here I'll be creating one radio button. So lightning input type equal to radio. Okay, so and then on changing of this, I want to display the contacts handle change. So I'm closing the lightning input tag. I'm creating one more TD. Here I'll put account name. So ACC dot name. Okay, so here I'm assigning a value to the radio button ACC dot name. Okay, so value handle change. So let me go back to the JavaScript. We write this method handle change. Okay, so I'm importing track property. So at the rate of track current ACC name. Okay, so if you want to refer to this variable, then we have to make the use of this property. Okay, this dot current ACC name. Since we'll be dealing with an event, so I'm writing event in the brackets. So We want to get the value of current record ID, current account name. So event dot target dot value. Okay, so let me put console.log current account name. Okay, so this dot current account name. Okay, we are getting an error. So let me fix this error. Okay, so let me create an application. So let me push this code to the source hub. So I'm just deploying the code to the source hub. Okay, we're able to move the code successfully. Okay, let me create an application. I'm just running this command in order to create Lightning application. Okay, demo 12. I'm choosing default directory. Extends equal to force.sls so that it will acquire the properties of Lightning design system. Here I'm just including the component name. So what is our component name? Display con records. Okay, I'm pushing the code to the source hub. So I'm just running this command in order to deploy the code to the source hub. Okay, so we are able to move the code successfully. So let me go back to the developer console. So what is our application name? Our application name is demo 12. Okay, so demo 12. I'm clicking on this. I'm just opening the application. I'm clicking on preview in order to see the output of the component. Okay, so okay, so let me close the tier here. Okay, so let me push the code to the source hub. Okay, so we are able to move the code successfully. So let me refresh the application. So let me inspect this console. I'm clicking on this. Right, I'm getting the value. So I'm clicking on sports. I'm getting the current account name, right? So now what we'll do is we need to set the param in the JavaScript to the contact method. Okay, so here I'm declaring two variables, track records at the rate track error. Okay, and then wire. Okay, so what is the second method which we have defined in the Apex class? Display con records. Okay, so display con records. Okay, so what is a parameter we are passing in the Apex class? Search key is a parameter. So we need to set the value to it. So based on the value, we'll be able to display the contacts, right? So here, search key, and then, okay, I'm passing current account name. I'm passing current account name. Okay, so we're getting errors. Expected. Okay. So it looks good to me. So next, why you can give any name here. So wired contact. Okay. So and then data, comma, error. Okay. If data is coming, we are able to, if the data is coming, then this dot records equal to data. So I'm just putting whole data in the records. Okay. So this dot error. Since the data is coming, so I'm just setting it to undefined. Okay. So else this dot error equal to error. So this dot data equal to undefined. Okay, so let me push the code to source arc. So we're getting errors, parsing error, we're getting error in 10th line. Okay, so let me, so what is error? Wire display con records, search key, problems for parsing error. So 10th line we're getting error. I think it looks good to me. Okay, so let me reopen the Visual Studio Code. So we're getting two errors. So current account name, track error, else end. Okay, so let me check why the error is coming. So track current account name. So this is fine. Current account name, this is fine. So it's the rate of wire, and this is a method name. This is a search key. Okay, right. So here, so there is no comma, I think. Okay, so let me remove the comma. Right, we are not getting an errors. So let me push the code to the source arc. Okay, so we are able to move the code successfully. So let me write the code for contacts in the HTML file. Okay, so template if true. Okay, if contact data is present. Okay, so that's fine. We'll simply design the table. So table tr. Okay, th last name. Okay, and then th account name. for loop template for each. Okay, so what is the property which we have defined, declared? So records will be present in records, contact records. So contact records will be present in records property. Okay, so records variable. So records for item. So this is a just reference variable name. Okay, so ter. So key is a mandatory thing here. So key equal to con dot id get td. So here con dot last name. I'm putting one more td here. Okay, here. So where so account name will be present in current account, current ACC name. So here I'm just putting current ACC name. So let me push this code to the source or. Okay, so we are able to move the code successfully. So let me refresh application. Right, so I'm clicking on this. Right, so I'm clicking on this express. So University of Arizona, Zenny Point. So okay, so the radio. So let me check why all the records are getting checked. Okay, so let me. Okay, right. So we have not given any name to the radio button. So here, radio button. Okay, I'm saying let me push the code to source or. I'm just refreshing application. Okay, so I'm clicking. I'm clicking on this. Right. So the contacts are coming right. So I'm clicking on United Oil Gas. I'm clicking on this. I'm clicking on gas. Right. So that's it.